Reigning World 100-meter champion Shelly and Fraser-Pryce is confident that next year's Sagicor Sigma 25th anniversary legacy run will exceed the $75 million target set for the event. Fraser-Pryce, who is one of two patrons for the event, believes Jamaicans will turn out in large numbers than ever before to support the cause.
I love for them to reach a 75 million. I know they're going to surpass the 75 million. So I have no doubt, because Jamaica is going to sign up, they're going to come on board, and they're going to donate to a worthy cause. It's the University Hospital, the Pediatric Ward, also the Edna Manley School of Visual and Performing Arts. I know you guys are going to come run, you're going to walk, you're going to wheel, because this is a worthy cause. So I'm excited to be able to add my voice and my image to a worthy cause.
Meanwhile, Medical Chief of Staff and Head of Neurosurgery at the University Hospital of the West Indies, Dr. Carl Bruce, is ready to make the most of that facility being chosen as a beneficiary.
The pediatric department at the University Hospital of the West Indies is known for the care that they give to our children. They do advanced and critical care in pediatrics in our special care nursery and in our neonatal intensive care unit. This year, been chosen as a beneficiary. As you know, we have been increasing the offerings and the number of pediatric specialists we have, such as pediatric gastroenterologists, pediatric cardiology, and pediatric oncology or cancer, as well as our pediatric nephrology or kidney disease. So all of these specialist pediatric service will benefit from this donation, and we can now look forward to treating more patients with more advanced equipment and advanced care at the University Hospital.
The race is scheduled for February 12 next year.